Hey guys, it's me here, Mack Faeggins. I'm out here making this video today showing you how to properly use a Ouija board so you can safely jump into the world of the paranormal. Whoa! Find some candles, incense, and a lighter. It's important to be angry so the paranormal knows what's up. Dressing like a vampire prince is imperative for contacting spirits and putting the normies in their place. While using the board, good signs to look out for include counting down the alphabet, sliding from corner to corner. Remember to use friendly banter.
What are you
It's also good if the planchette flies off the board. Always remember to place the planchette on top of the board when storing. The only proper way to dispose of a Ouija board is by burning it. If you listen to it closely, you may be able to hear it scream. This is just the first video showing you how to coexist with the paranormal. This is Mack Faeggins signing off to the mortal realm. Until next time, Faegg out.